Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash step index. Guys, I'm back with another wonderful strategy. So I promise you guys that I'm going to release another video on boom 1000 on 30-minute time frames, and the same indicator that we use, which is our two moving average, to catch up a sell entry and a buy entry. So guys, today this is boom 1000 on 30-minute time frames. So for you guys that have not watched my crash 1000 video, so this is another opportunity for you guys to watch this boom 1000 and how these two moving average can help you guys to trade successful. So let me show you the settings of this strategy so that you can watch. You can also set it up on your system. So we have your moving average here, your period of 50. We have shift of 0. We have methods to be exponential. We have apply to close. We have our blue as our style color. Then you press undone. Then we have the second moving average, the period of 150, the shift of 0, the methods to be exponential. We have apply to close, and we have our red as our color here. Then with this, you will have these two same settings on your phone. And another thing that you need to add to your moving average is this, what we have here. We have to identify this 9, because it's going to show us the difference between the price areas and our price areas. That is why we are adding it to our main chart. So what you are going to be using it for is for you to demarcate the charts. So anytime we are having our blue 9 that is crossing down on a downtrend like this, it means that we are having a downtrend. And anytime we are having it on our blue 9 crossing over, it means we are having we are having our uptrend. So you see what happened here exactly, that we are having our blue on a downtrend is giving us a downtrend price. And when we are having it on the uptrend, like what we have here, it means that we are having our price on the uptrend. That's exactly what happened with this strategy. So what you are going to be looking at is exactly when the two moving averages is crossing each other. So anytime we are having the two moving average crossing each other, then you are going to be placing your chart closer to the price that we have at this area price here. So we are going to be moving it closer to the place. So once you move it closer to the place, then you are going to be looking the difference between this area. So when we counted the last time, we know that this from the upper areas now to the last one here, we are having 14 in number. So we are going to be dividing by 2, which is going to be 7 for us. So we are going to be marking 7 out of it from the downtrend. So we have our 7 number to be like this. So that's exactly where we are going to be placing our 9. So once you place your 9 there, you will discover that this your crossing area, which show that you are having a downtrend, show at this particular area, which means that this perfect entry now is very accurate. So if you can find your entry at this area now, you are still going to take down the trend of the market, because it's going to respect that level. But if this our 9 keep on falling on the above area like this, then we find our entry below this 9. I'm sorry, we are not going to be taking that trade because it is not safe for us. So what we are going to be, but if we check it very well now, we see that our 9-4 here, and we discover that this entry is fully confirmed for us. So this is one of the best entry that we can take now, because it's going to respect that level. You see, when you find your entry around this area, you keep on taking down the trend until you have your full profit in the house. You see that exactly what happened, until you have your full profit from here to this side. You see that. So it works more better on 30-minute time frame. So let me show you another thing that I mean by this. So this is another crossing line. We want to check this crossing line, maybe is perfect for us to take or not. So how are we going to do that? We are going to be shifting it towards the price. Check maybe is closer to that price, and once you check it like that. Then you count your 7 from the downtrend again. We have our 4 now, 5, 6, 7. We have our 7 at this area. You see where 7 belongs to. So we are going to be placing our horizontal 9 at that area. So you see that now what happened now, we have our crossing 4 below this 9. You see that it's 4 below this 9. You see where it is now. So there's always this probability that if it fall below this 9, which is a uptrend, there's always probability that the uptrend is going on a what, on a uptrend. And if it is a downtrend, it needs to appear on these upper areas, and it's going to move on a downtrend like this. So let's see. You see now exactly what I'm explaining to you guys. The same thing happened here. It happened here. So it's happened here, which means this signal is giving us a what, a uptrend, that an uptrend is in the market. So if you can find your entry around this area, around this area, around any area from here, that means that you are going to be going for what, orange. This your entry is going to what, is going to confirm. So let's see what the market really did exactly. It respect that particular level. You see, your entry is going to be around this year, with the fact that they've reversed in the market, but it's still what, it's still going to favor you guys. So you see how much it's going to be on that minute time frame. You see that it's going to be a long period of what, a long period of what, a uptrend in what, in 1 minute time frames or in 5 minute time frames. So let me show you another entry that we know that if this entry is confirmed. So let's see this entry now. You see, let me show you this entry so that you will not be making some mistake when using this strategy. So this is another confirmation, another what, another joint area. So we are going to be moving this closer to the to our price, and we are going to be counting our 7 different from this table. We are going to be counting our 7 different. If you can see very well now, our 7 different find itself around this area. And when we place, that's exactly where we are going to be placing our horizontal 9. We place it there, and when we discover that is that this price at this area give us that we are going to be having a what, a downtrend. And I told you guys that if you are having a downtrend, if the moving average show us that we are having a downtrend, it must appear on the upper areas at this area. It must show at this area. So if it doesn't show anything at this area, guys, don't enter the market, because it is not safe for you. So you see where this one is showing to us now, it's showing it on a downtrend, so it is not safe for us. So at this particular area now, if you find your entry at this particular, let me show you. Okay, let me show you guys. If you find your entry at this particular area, you will see that you are going to be running on a lot, on a loss, because the market, you see what happened in the market now. You see the market reverse and was before coming on a downtrend, and before that they have already give us another what, another confirmation. You see, unless you have a long period of what, a lot of profit that you can use to what, to risk this rejection zone before taking down a what, a trend. You see that. So let me show you another one here. You are going to moving closer to these areas, and from this area you are going to be showing your different level, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it show on the what, on the upper area like this, and that is exactly where you are going to be placing your horizontal. Now you see what happened now. This one showed to us that we are going to be having a downtrend, but it show it on this upper on the dance area, and I told you guys that it's supposed to be on this area. So this entry now is not what, it's not fully confirmed, because if you find your entry around this area, you see that instead of you catching up a what, a downtrend, you are already running in what, in loss for a long period of time. So that's exactly how it works. So let me show you another sample now of what we have at this particular area. You see that you are going to be moving this, you are going to be moving it closer to the what, closer to the price, and you're going to be counting your 1, 2, 3, counting your difference, and you are going to be finding it there. So it's going to be around this area. So we are going to be moving it here. You see that is exactly where we are having our distance. And what you are going to be doing now is this, that you can see that the market gives us that we are going to be having an uptrend in the market, and you can fully confirm that the uptrend is moving from this area to this area. So it means that this entry is what is perfect for us to take. So if you find your entry around there, then it is safe for you to enter. You see what happened in the market. You see it keep on moving on a downtrend. When you find your entry around this area, you see that. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you more on more of our powerful strategy. So guys, this strategy works on boom 1000 and crash 1000 on 30 minutes time frames, and also guys, we have room for mentorship. And for guys, you can also register with our Telegram link and get started to improve your trading ability every day. Thanks.